Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. In today's video we will be drawing D from alphabet lore. We're going to start off around this point and go all the way up for the front of our D. And once you're done with that, let's move over all the way around to this point. Like so. Take your time with this. You can stop right in the middle a little bit, take a little break, and then continue down to the bottom. Once you're done with that, we're going to go from this point up to here. And we're going to leave a little bit of space for the eyes and mouth. For the mouth, let's start from here and then do a quick, almost like a smaller elongated D for the mouth. Let's do 2 lines for the teeth. And then the mouth just needs a little bit of lip going out and back up. Once you're done with the mouth, we just need the 2 eyes. We're going to start with the eye over here first. We're going to start from this corner of the tooth right here and go up. And then not touching this point, we're going to go to the right to this point. Like so. Now down. And then back to the mouth. And that's going to be our first eye. Let's try in the details of the eyes real quick. And we're going to do a line across. And for the iris, it's just going to be a square shape. Now let's add a highlight circle and fill in the iris. Once you're done with those steps, we're going to do another eye on this side. Starting from here, we're going to go up to this point, and we're going to go beyond this point, outside, and back to the lip. Once you reach this point, you just have to connect it to the other eye, and then draw a line across. Let's erase this little area. And if you can't erase, that's totally fine. It just adds character. Now let's draw in the other iris. That's just going to be right here. A little circle. And finally, let's fill it in. Once your D is complete, all we really need is color. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.